What if you could step back in time and witness the birth of one of the world's oldest parliaments? In the windswept landscapes of Iceland, early settlers sought more than just survival. They craved order, justice, and unity. In 930 AD, chieftains and free men journeyed across rugged terrain to gather at Thingvellir, a dramatic rift valley where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet. There, they established the Althing, a national assembly where disputes were settled, laws were made, and the fate of the island was debated under open skies. Imagine hundreds of people camping for 2 weeks each summer, sharing news, forging alliances, and seeking justice in a land without a king. The Althing was a marvel of early governance. No monarch ruled, just a council of leaders and a Lawspeaker who recited laws from memory to ensure fairness. Decisions were reached by consensus, and even the most powerful chieftains were subject to its rulings. Remarkably, the Althing has met almost every year since, shaping Iceland's identity and inspiring democratic ideals worldwide. This ancient assembly proves that even in the harshest frontiers, people have long valued the rule of law, community, and collective decision-making.